Look at this pretty Gator right here. Lord have mercy. I'm excited about it. It's not even mine. Ooh. Beautiful. 24 by 60 wide cut single door, 3 slide racks. Huge 24 diameter by 30 inch long cowboy firebox for grilling, searing, gas assist. 2 dial style air intake vents, golf cart kit, protective cover plate for your gas line, counterweighted, 3 door gauges, Gator Pit's designed golf cart kit, removable handle. We can also make an adapter to hook this up behind your ATV or your side-by-side with the 1 7/8 coupler. It's going to have a drop-down stainless steel shelf, D-rings, beautiful golf cart wheels. I just love these wheels. Gator Pit. What can we do for you? Complete custom right here. 24 by 60 with a 24 by 30 long firebox. Custom golf cart wheels, custom axles, steering mechanisms, all designed and fabricated right here in our Gator Pit shop. The pellet hopper, Smoke Daddy Elite hopper will go on this side right here. Stainless steel shelf, single wide cut door, counterweighted, dual stacked, 3 gauges, grill firebox, lower storage, 2-inch ball valve drain, upper and lower slide racks, tuning plates, probe ports, you name it, this pit has got it. It's going to have the grillability in there as well. Some people refer to it as a cowboy firebox. All 1/4-inch thick steel, fully flanged doors, beautiful pit. I'll get completed videos when it's done. And there you go, guys. See ya.